Hello friends, welcome back to another video. This is Bilal and you are watching Bilal Mobiles RYK YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix PayPal app is not working on iPhone after update iOS 17. Many users have facing their issue. PayPal app is not working. PayPal app is lagging or freezing after update iOS 17. If you are using beta version, now use the stable version, downgrade or upgrade your iPhone with stable version and fix your PayPal app keeps crashing, freezing or lagging problem on your iPhone on iOS 17. Simply, if your app is fixed or if you are using stable version and your PayPal is lagging, make sure your PayPal app update is available. Simply tap on the App Store app and tap on the profile icon. If PayPal app is available, simply update the PayPal app and fix your problem. If solution number 2 is not working, now applying the solution number 3. Solution number 3 is check the PayPal account. Your PayPal account is fixed. Your PayPal account login is correct. If not correct, simply reset your PayPal password and fix your problem. If solution number 3 is not working, now applying the solution number 4. Solution number 4 is reset all settings. Tap on the settings app, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset all settings to confirm, and after reset your all settings, your iPhone is new or fresh and PayPal app problem is fixed. Connect to the Wi-Fi and enjoy with your PayPal account. That's it. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix PayPal app is not working, lagging or freezing on iPhone after iOS 17 update. If video is helpful for you, please don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.